up, Yasar, and welcome to another Nuwaupuyee Fasal on our updated language. Today we're going to do study 2, Hawakut, the time. Hatat, January. Ha, February. Cactat, March. Cact, April. Nuntat, May. Nun, June. Amuntat, July. Amun, August. Patah, September. Asar, October. Ashtat, November. Harar, December. Hawakut, the time. Rahubat Yasar. I would like to take a moment to speak about time. Thinking and believing that time has a reference only help enforce the spell of power of ignorance. If I begin at a point in time, and as I move from one point to point 2, or when I get to point 19, this point will have appeared to move. However, it has not. It gives impression that you are able to log time. If you look at the clock, look at the second hand. Time is not going from one incident to next. The incident is now happening. You were there in time. You didn't congeal. By that, I mean you were the gene that thought, the concept, and the making of what was happening. When your great-grandmother was here and your grandmother was there, you were able to exist, just not placed. Infinite time is natural. One way you can look in on natural or infinite time is by putting a hole of the same size into the bottom of 3 cups, spaced apart equidistant from each other vertically. At the bottom of the 3 cups, place an open jar. Fill the first cup with water, and the water will drip through each cup to the jar. As I move 1 minute passes, put a line on the jar. Do this for 30 minutes. When all the water has dripped from the top cup into the last cup, then you start all over again. This is natural or infinite nature. This will give you the accurate time, which is necessary for the coming of the end of the world. You have your own system of time and should not be going to the modern-day Gregorian calendar. You are supposed to measure time according to the Egyptian calendar, which is based upon the motion of the stars. With that, time waits for no one, and we will begin our study on time. This is because time is always in motion. And our Nuwaupuyee word that shows motion or are in motion are shown by this system, the 3-letter root word in Nuwapic with an A and an U in between. For example, the word dance has the root letters Re, Ke, Se. If I tell someone practice for our dance called the Sowe, which is happening this weekend, that would be a non-action or equivalent to a noun from in English and would be Rakas dance in Nuwaupuyee, Nuwapic. If I want to show an example of action for this word and say, I danced tonight in a show, you would use the form Rakus, which shows an action form, Re, A, Ke, U, Se. Accordingly, since time is something always in motion, then all words pertaining to it have this same form, and there is no noun form for these words pertaining to time. Below, you will find a list of words that pertain to time. Hasut, now. Halut, soon. Harut, later. Zahut, moment. Fanut, second. Dagut, minute. Wanut, hour. Samut, day. Garut, night. Barut, yesterday. Radut, tomorrow. Shabut, week. Kabut, month. Shamut, year. Takut, decade. Qarut, century. Jalut, generation. Sawut, equinox. Sabut, procession. Chamut, jubilee. Aha, Zamut, lunar day, Monday. Athan Zamut, second day, Tuesday. Thalan Zamut, third day, Wednesday. Raban Zamut, fourth day, Thursday. Haman Zamut, fifth day, Friday. Najam Zamut, solar day, Saturday. Reye Zamut, Sunday, Sunday. Tadrar, at, directions on an attack, compass. Tafan, north. Nagab, south. Qadam, east. Gharab, west. Tawil Khayat, longitude. Arids Khayat, latitude.